welcome to Ankara. I'm thinking the same thing you are. Oh. Yeah, prayer calls. There's not a lot of crossing lights. There's Turkish. This is me. I'm heading on a mission to see a castle. This is the part where I cut to some footage where you can actually see the castle in the distance. Okay, first of all, wow. Turkey. Yeah, it's done for it's 1241 prayers. Anyway, I struggled my way into getting some coffee. You should see the faces of people here when you speak a word of anything that's not Turkish. I had to pantomime. Just spilled coffee on myself trying to pantomime. But also, wow. Alright, Professor Google is telling me, I think, to go up this like really stunning looking staircase. Looking alright. Hello. Advanced reconnaissance confirms. Very nice looking staircase. So why am I in Ankara right now? You know, I've been to Turkey once before. Right, to Istanbul for a week. I spent most of it on like a really touristy street where people go up to you and hey bro, where are you from? This may not be... Oh, okay, that is a path. But the parts I saw of Turkey that weren't that. They left me wanting more. Even the parts of it that were that. Yeah, it's exciting to try to get scammed, or even be scammed sometimes. Hope I don't get mauled by a gang of street cats. So here I am. You know, in good old Ankara. Not a word of English. Not a tourist in sight. Except for yours truly. Bad Muse. Hey, I'm filming a camera with a camera. It's meta. Huh. Rugs? A little market? I go as far as to say this place is Turkish looking. Oh crap, I think I found the touristy part of town. Yeah, there's a castle. Other people come here to see this. It's a rock! It's a parking thing. And perhaps with the magic of, hold on. The video editing, you can see the prices on there. A saat must mean an hour, so you can park your car for a day and a half for 25 Turkish lira. Right now it's about 18.3, 18.4 lira to the dollar. So it's like a buck and a half. Also, this view is getting decent. But we've more distance to go. That boy was just running up a hill in front of that car. He's going to be a great traffic conductor one day. As a matter of fact, he already is. I wish I had that much confidence. Well, now. Let me in! Let me in! Let me in! Things just got a lot quieter a moment ago. Accompanied only by this dog here, and this is a vibe. I can hear... No, it must have been a plane. Probably an import. I'm not sure how good their fighter plane craft is in Turkey. I need to get up there. I believe I took a wrong turn. Volleyball? 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 How the fuck do I get up here? Very pretty. Alright, I found the English speaking part of town. I need to learn how to say money in Turkish.
Monsieur 10 lira, monsieur. Castle, monsieur 10 lira. Monsieur handmade, monsieur.
Yeah, bonjour. I guess that's French. Now I thought I passed this Turkish. Why am I not holding this GoPro? Oh. Great workouts to be found here in Ankara. Great handicraft as well. Handmade, 10 lira.
Soğumadan gel artık aşkımın gülü. Olsa da konuşsa kalbimin dili.
Yeah, great romance as well. I believe I have found a contemporary Turkish toilet. This place smells like this. And you know what? It's private, it's dark, it's downwards. This is a great place to piss. If I need to a little bit more, I would. On video, on the OnlyFans. Wow. Damn. I suppose this is a place where I can hold my camera at eye level. I don't have to try to do this a while. Like, oh, I'm living in it. It's filming. I'm just walking along here to do the thing. I also need to remember you can't see my body language from that close up. You can't see that I was like swaggering to make my point. Also, damn. Oh. Don't do it. Music. It's too groovy to leave. Okay, where's Music Man? Come on here. Where's Music Man? Where's Music Man? Okay, where's Music Man? Who's filming a thing? Yeah. Watch SoundCloud for his mixtape. Okay, we're still going. Oh, they're getting some Leo. I really need to learn to keep rolling. Just learn to look at little kids. Yeah, Mr. Handmade? Monsieur Handmade? Do I pass for French? Possibly. French people are a little darker skinned. You'd be surprised if your idea of France is just white people, and you get there. But they're not really white people. I'm continuing to roll. To follow this? What's my new name? Mr. Handmade. Mr. Handmade. And this is The Handmaid's Tale. Definitely not that way. Definitely not that way. Yeah. They ran out of budget halfway through. Hey look, it's Klingon. Huh? Yeah, random traffic stop. That knows a police officer. That's not a castle.
Kapalı orası.
I don't have a couple of hours, sorry. Just a couple of auras. Oh, it starts. I'm just asking for a couple of hours. Next thing you know, they've got you for life. That doesn't look very open. Giriş. Yasak. Bolga. No, I don't speak Turkish, but I speak lok. Kale. Yeah. Oh, I got to see the other one. What's the other way? Before I go down again. Oh, what is... Hello. I don't have a couple of hours. I have a couple of hours. Couple of hours. Couple of hours. I don't have a couple of hours for you, sorry. And this is why I travel. Damn. Only time will tell though if this is a lifestyle vlog or a death style vlog. Okay. So someone definitely gets put in the pillory there. And then the wild dogs eat them if they do something reprehensible. Okay, so the camera still rolls after like 6 minutes, but the screen turns off. I was doing an exciting foot shot, so I need to remember, hi guy, I'm talking to you. To you, the lens. And then nobody's gonna watch these videos, so not you the person or the audience. Or you the alien from the Quadrijo's galaxy in sector Alpha Theta Theta Pi. These aliens would obviously name sectors by Greek letters. Yeah, it's all Greek to me. That's what they say. Wow, I could run across that wall. That's a great idea. Yeah, they don't have snakes in Turkey, do they? I mean, it's not like there's like a desert or like mountains or... You know, I definitely read some stuff about scorpions. Yeah, I made it. I'm in the castle. Arrow hole, city view. Wow, vlog content. Alright, I'm gonna tell you about my new makeup sponsor. It's called Take a Shower, Stupid. This is such a great idea. Great idea. Cat, oh cat, oh cat, oh cat. We're in cat country. I've been to Georgia. Georgia's dog country. I can tell you that emphatically. No reservation. With certainty. In Turkey, there's some dogs in Turkey. But this is cat country. Massage chair? Where's the button? Damn. I mean, I probably wouldn't want to live there, but like, damn, it's just so pretty. It's just so pretty in a way that fucking like suburbs and like apartments and like developments don't look. Like this place has real beauty in a more, so it's like natural sense, au naturel, like they would say in France. Yeah, I think that means you don't shave your bush in French. See, I'm cultured. I've died a little, if you know what I mean. So why am I in Ankara? This is why I'm in Ankara. You know, like closed off castles and like mom hanging out with her 2 kids, and I don't see why she would be a beggar. I didn't see any other tourists coming up there. Like the closed off castle. This place is just real. It's not churched up. As my therapist said once, he was trying to get diagnosed. Why I keep doing this shit? And you know what? If there's one or two people in the world who can appreciate it the same way that I do, thank you for watching. Oh gosh. It's a really good thing this is a GoPro. Just a little damage to inaugurate it. Yeah, I'm not selling this thing like new on eBay again. What I was trying to do was like hold it in my teeth. Well, Which bus is my bus? I'm Spartabus. No, I'm Spartabus. I'm Spartabus. You will not be missed. All right. A, B, R. Always be rolling, A, B, R. Always be rolling, be rolling. Lots of flags here. Like, really? In this neighborhood, they must not be very patriotic because there's been a suspicious lack of flags. Like, people think the US is big on, like, flags, nationality, nationalism, that's the word, not nationality. Also nationality as well. But no, Turkey. Turkey is the real thing. Like, there's no question of like Turkish national identity or whether or not you want to be a Turk here. Everyone is like completely on board with being Turkish. See, it's red. It's the national color. Doritos, also a Turkish invention. I mean, maybe go to Kurdistan. A little bit more of a question there. But in Ankara, absolutely not. Hey, red, it's the national color. Rouge. Okay, I'm looking through tourist alley. This is actually lovely. There's a tourist information office. So yeah, I found that part of the city. This is a guidebook picture right here. Hand gesture for emphasis. I still don't know if my gesture is like in frame or not. Maybe learn to think more like a camera, and less like a me.
Bana çok geldi.
Urfa aşiretlerinden.
Yani sefer hattın burası mı?
Okay, I think I can make out the words archaeology, museum. Oh, and there's a big mosque later. I'm coming back here later. Later. Home. An adventure. No, home. No voy a llorar y decir que no merezco esto. Oh, highlight added.